Hello and welcome back. In this video I want to use this scrap wood to make a little case for my chainsaws and accessories. Let's do it. Jumping into the bulk assembly of the case, I'm using a plywood base just for stability, and I ran out of normal wood. Glue and screws, and that'll give this a nice solid feel and allow me to load it up with the weight that I want to. I start by doing the two long sides here, which go flush right to the edge of the plywood. And then I leave the short sides off and I put those on second, and that's where I can have my wiggle room to get perfect 90-degree sides. I'll be able to make those adjustments there, and that's why I left those sides, the short sides, a little longer. So now I start to put these short sides on. I put a pretty good amount of glue, and then I screw it up on the table here. I'm able to use a square to get a 90-degree reference there, and then I move it over, and I have to move that piece in a little bit to get a perfect 90, which is why I left those short sides long. So that makes up for the error in the pieces of not having everything perfectly square. You can see just moving that little bit there gets me a perfect 90-degree, and then that glue and screw will keep it set. Now here I'm installing this hardware, and I really like these handles. They're very classic looking, they're easy, cheap to install. But the problem with doing it on something that's holding such a large amount of weight is that it has a high likelihood of ripping out. And the hardware comes stock with like 3/4 inch screws, but I knew that wouldn't do it for the amount of weight that I'm putting in here. So I actually drilled on the inside, and I'm putting these plates that I made and then just bolting it right to it on the inside. So it kind of acts as a giant shear plate and will prevent it from ripping out. If something fails on this box, it's most likely going to be the bottom and not these handles, which was the normal cause for failure before. This project turned out great. I'm very happy with it. It solves a problem that I had, and it's a really nice way to store anything you want to put in it. You can change dimensions and make it your own. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you.